Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, friendly, local, and long-distance movers near me. Living miles away at a new place can be quite challenging. It's quite hard if you have to start your new job and enroll your kids in a new school right away, all the while needing to learn different routes of your new neighborhood to make your daily up-down easy. All our movers are licensed and experienced in moving customers, whether you are moving to another city or internationally. Our movers will pack your things in a protective packing to ensure its safety for the long road trip ahead. 3 Movers offers everything from loading, transporting, and unpacking your belongings to making your long-distance moving experience smoother and faster. 3 Movers will do everything for you. Local moving is one of our specialties. Our customizable services and affordable prices make it easy for you to choose the best moving plan for yourself. Our moving team will handle everything, so you don't have to deal with packing and heavy lifting. By the afternoon, you will be free to enjoy and celebrate your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our friendly moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form,